Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PN Amasi e-learning classes. Our today's topic is about micro marvels. Microbes or microorganisms are so tiny that they are not visible to the naked eyes. Some of them benefit human beings while others are harmful to us. So here some blanks has been given. First one, microbes make up the largest number of living organisms on earth. Second, lactobacillus microbe helps to convert milk into curd. Third, bacteria decompose organic waste into manure and increase the fertility of the soil. Fourth, antibiotics contain microbes to cure flu and viral fever. Fifth, dead and weakened microbes are introduced into the body to produce antibodies. Pathogens are microbes that causes diseases in plants and animals. Seventh one, a microscope is used to look at the microbes. Eighth one, fermented food are produced or preserved by the action of microbes. Second topic are about crisis and chaos. Better medical care has increased the life expectancy in some countries, but poor management of natural disasters, industrial processes, and callous policies are causing health crises in many countries. Test your knowledge and try to find out more about such crises. Here some blanks has been given. First, the Zika virus outbreak and Hurricane Katrina are examples of environmental health crisis. Second, malnutrition is a major food health crisis faced in India. Third, the Japanese encyclopedias outbreaks in Odisha in 2016 that claimed 100 lives was an infectious health crisis. Fourth, Delhi's population level in air has led to the declaration of a public health emergency. Fifth, air pollution caused Beijing to issue its first red alert and may cause 20% of all adult deaths. Sixth, HIV and polio among the most devastating diseases of modern times. Seventh, climate change is causing rise in asthma, chikungunya, and many related mental diseases. Eighth, the wealth gaps within a country and between countries is causing health disparities too. 9. In Bangladesh, Rohingya refugees are facing the life threatening diarrheal disease. The answer is cholera. 10th, swine flu was the popular name for the global pandemic caused by the H1N1 virus strain. Third topic is about habitats under attack. Can you identify the endangered habitats from around the world? So let us see the questions. First, as temperatures rise due to global warming, this habitat is under immense threat. The caribou and reindeer who live here could lose their foraging area as warming will change vegetation on the tundra. Polar bears face extinction if the seas does not stay frozen all year, and rising sea levels threaten to destroy half the nesting areas of migratory birds. The answer is Arctic. Second one, this region is known for temperatures as low as 70 degrees Celsius and marine life like penguins, seabirds, seals, and whales. Off its western region lies the Weddell Sea, where more than 700 new species have been found, including sea spiders, carnivorous sponges, and octopi. But the shrinking area of sea ice and the overfishing of krill, which is the shrimp like basis of the food chain, threatens the entire ecosystem. The answer is Antarctic. Third one, this chain of mountains along the west coast of a continent constitutes just 1% of the planet's landmass, but is home to one-sixth of all plant life. The critically endangered yellow-tailed woolly monkey roams in the moist cloud forest here, as does the only bear on this continent, the spectacled bear. The region is greatly threatened by mining companies, hydroelectric dams, and deforestation caused by agriculture, notably coffee plantations. The answer is tropical Andes. Fourth one, This region has been densely populated by humans for nearly 8,000 years, but it is also home to 22,500 plant species, four times more than the rest of Europe combined. It is also home to the Iberian Ibex, the planet's most threatened cat species, of which as few as 150 survive in the wild. The answer is Mediterranean basin. Fifth one, this scattered region with more than 4,000 islands has been inhabited for less than 3,000 years. In this short span, thousands of bird species have gone extinct thanks to hunting, agriculture, and the accidental introduction of invasive species like the common cat. Many of the islands are under threat of being submerged as sea levels rise. The answer is Micronesia and Polynesia. Sixth one, the third largest island in the world, which is politically divided between Indonesia, Brunei, and Malaysia, was once covered entirely in lush rainforest, home to an endangered species of Otagunan, the critically endangered Sumatran rhinoceros, and about 1,000 pygmy elephants that are unique to the island. The region has lost huge tracts of rainforest to illegal logging, forest fires, and plantation. The answer is Borneo. Seventh one, this island of the east coast of Africa is home to 21 million people and 8 unique plant families, 4 unique bird families, and 5 unique primate families, including 50 species of lemur found nowhere else on the planet. Agriculture, logging, cattle grazing, and invasive species have devastated the ecosystem till only 17% of the original vegetation remains. The answer is Madagascar. Thank you, dear students.